Money they never told you. Understand the rules. Protect yourself.
Picture this. It's payday. For a few hours, your bank balance looks okay. You breathe a little easier. Then reality hits. Rent, groceries, gas, one random bill you forgot about. You open your banking app, and your balance is already dropping towards zero again. If that moment feels familiar, let me say this clearly. You're not broke because you're bad with money. You're broke because the system changed, and nobody taught you the new rules. And in 2026, those rules matter more than ever. On paper, inflation looks normal, but in real life, everything feels heavier. Debt is at record highs, savings are disappearing, and more than half of working adults are living paycheck to paycheck, even with full-time jobs. So no, this isn't another motivational speech. And no, this isn't about getting rich overnight. Today, I'm walking you through 7 realistic steps that actually help when you're broke, even when the system isn't built in your favor. These aren't hacks, they're survival moves that slowly turn into stability. Step 1, see where your money is really going. Here's a hard truth. The system wins when you don't know where your money leaks. Most people don't budget, they guess, and guessing is expensive. So for the first 7 to 14 days, don't change anything. Just track every dollar, every swipe, every subscription you forgot existed, streaming services, daily coffee, late-night online purchases. None of these feel big until you see the total. Split everything into 2 categories: needs, wants. This step doesn't make you rich, but it stops the bleeding, and stopping the bleeding always comes before healing. Step 2. Build a small emergency buffer. Emergency funds aren't optional anymore because the system pushes risk onto individuals. Car repairs, medical bills, job delays. Without a buffer, every surprise becomes new debt. Forget the idea of 6 months of savings for now. Your first real goal is simple: $500 to $1,000. That's it. This money doesn't change your life, it changes your reactions. Put it in a high-yield savings account. Automate small amounts, even $25 per paycheck. This fund gives you breathing room, and breathing room changes behavior. Step 3. Kill high-interest debt first. High-interest debt exists for one reason: stress is profitable. Credit cards charging 18 to 25% interest quietly drain your future. You don't need a perfect strategy. You need a sustainable one. 2 options work: pay the highest interest first, or pay the smallest balance first for momentum. Pick the one you'll actually stick with. Progress beats perfection. Watching balances drop, even slowly, gives you control back. And control matters more than speed. Step 4. Fix your credit without panic. Credit scores don't measure responsibility, they measure compliance. Still, better credit means lower interest, fewer rejections, more options when things go wrong. Focus on basics. Pay on time, keep balances under 30%, dispute errors. This isn't instant, but in 60 to 90 days, small habits create visible results, and visible progress keeps people going. Step 5. Extra income doesn't save you, but it buys time. Let's be honest, side hustles won't make you free, but they buy time. An extra $100 to $300 a month can cover emergencies, speed debt payoff, reduce stress. This isn't hustle culture. This is strategic relief. Time is leverage, and leverage matters more than motivation. Step 6. Invest, but only after stability. Investing won't make you rich fast, but not investing guarantees you stay stuck. Once debt is under control and emergencies are covered, start small, stay boring, think long-term. Index funds, automated contributions, patience. This is the slow game, and the slow game is the only one that works. Step 7. Use the system where you can. The system may not be designed for you, but you can still use parts of it. Employer matches, tax-advantaged accounts, legal protections. You don't win by fighting the system blindly. You win by understanding it. If the system isn't designed to make you wealthy, what's the one move you'll make this year to protect yourself? Comment your goal, even if it's small. Progress is slow at first, but 1 year of consistency beats 10 years of stress. You're not broken. The rules changed. Now you know how to play.